Hi, I'm Josh with Midwest Drone Applications, based out of Northeast Kansas near Topeka. I'm owner-operator and have a fleet of about 12 drones, 10 or 12 pilots that assist me throughout the season. So in 2025, we covered over 66,000 acres across multiple states, and we look forward to covering even more acres come 2026. And a few things that have drawn me to Volitant and our relationship there with being a custom applicator is the customer service. The team there is awesome. As you know, if the drones aren't in the air, the business can't succeed. So Volitant and their team allow us to keep our drones in the air with customer service, maintenance, and the availability of parts when we need them. Drones are going to go down. They are farm equipment. Things happen. It's technology. You're in the heat. So that relationship with MDA and Volitant is just being able to get what I need when I need it, and they have the understanding of the timeliness, the speed in which we need things, and that just works well for both of us. If you're interested in being a custom applicator, reach out. Get with the Volitant team, get with me at my website at midwestdroneapplications.com, and we have the expertise. We will get you pointed in the right direction.